Hello everybody, I'm back again with a few more lessons today, not too many. I think I got 2 or 3. We're ready to go. Been away for a while. I was in Maui, so I don't really have that much saved up. Oh, that's the other one. Okay, I know I got 3. Let's write that one down. Actually, let's do that first. CJ just posted this on the Merlin site, the melody and all that type of stuff to play the song, and it was kind of funny because I had been started doing this one a long time ago. It's one of those ones I kind of stumbled upon and then put it aside. Came back to it, found a little bit more to do onto it, and I just got it to a place where I'm happy with how it sounds. So that's it's probably even done before the Beach Boys, but that's the version I remember. Sloop John B. For the most part, I fingerpicked this one, and when I get into the lesson, I'm not going to do too much of the fingerpicking. That's for you to find. I'll give you the melody, and then you can play with what works for you. And the way I do it, I looked at CJ's post. It's very similar. There's a few things I do different, and there's actually the one thing I had to correct because I was doing it wrong, and then that helped me out. So thanks, CJ. I'm still waiting for Sounds of Silence. All right. So that's my rendition of how that one's done. And that's probably not 100% correct, but what is. So let's bring you up and close, and I'll play with a pick now just to do just a single melody line. So the way I start it is 2nd fret. And then I do slide up from the 1st. So that's just the first 2 lines are like that. So let's do this really slow. Next line. That's now the next part, I go to the open high. So it starts on a 2nd open. Next part. So let's do that from the 2nd string part. So it's all together. So to do the chord part, I'm just going to strum it instead of finger picking it, just to show you what chords you play at the same time. Like most stuff, it's open D to start. All D. To the A. So that climb up is done in A. So you're in A. And then it goes to the D. To the G. Back to the D. To the A. Back to the D. There's a G there. Let's go back to the finger picking. See if you can just see what I kind of do. And what I do is not set, it's whatever I have time. Because you got to hit your melody strings in the right timing. But that leaves open air where you can hit. Because the whole melody is basically on the D except that climb up. So you just hit wherever you can find it. You gotta find the timing. It's finger picking is almost a personal thing. It's everybody's gonna do it different. So I'll show you kind of what I do, and then we'll see even if I can do that. Not happy with that one part there. I think I'm switching something. So that second string climb up, I'm not actually keeping in the A. I'm going back to the D. So what I said earlier, I don't know. It works both ways. So whichever works for you. That's pretty much it. It just repeats that 3-4 times and that's the whole song. It's not too bad. So do it one more time, finger picked. See, I'll back up even more. Just so if you can see it's hard to show that though. So I'll do it once finger picking, once strum, and then that'll be it. And that is it. Sloop John B. Well, my rendition anyway, and pretty much every lesson I'm gonna do is my rendition, my version. There's no one way to do anything. And that's what I like. If you guys watch my videos and take what works, leave what doesn't. You know, it's different for every person. That's pretty much just the way it is. That's the way it goes. Yeah, see, that's my horrible singing again. Anyways, that's one of 3 or 4 tonight. So have fun, and we'll see you guys next time.